What's up, my little writers? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. And that's also how you become an official low rider. You guys, today I'd like to thank Madam Glam for sponsoring this video. And as you can see, I'm getting my nails done, and today is going to be a short and sassy look. I didn't feel like putting any tips on or any acrylic, so guess what? I'm just going with the Madam Glam system. It's vegan free, HEMA free, and no animals were harmed when testing this product, you guys. I've been using this product for about like 6 months now, and I love it. The polish doesn't come out, and as you can see right now, she's prepping my nails, and we're using the polishes from the House of Mystery collection, and the colors that I'm using is Magical Times and Fairy Dust. You guys know the accent nail is going to be done in Fairy Dust, but right now she's about to put the base coat on my nails, and I'll be under the UV lamp for about 60 to 90 seconds. Okay, my lords, my sister is doing my nails, and she's a nail tech. Oh my God, the greatest nail artist ever in Palmdale, California, and her company is called Pampered Luxe Nails by Leslie. And you can also find her on Instagram at Pampered Luxe Nails by Leslie. I will also have all of her information in the description box. I couldn't decide what colors I wanted. At first it was going to be this color, but then I said I wanted it to be Magical Times with the accent color of Fairy Dust. So she put the lid back on and started polishing with the Magical Times, which is the blue. There's that fairy dust color I was telling you guys about. I just love it. It gives it like a, kind of like a cementy with colors, different colors in it. You guys will see when it's done. Love it. And after she painted that accent nail, I went under the UV lamp so they can cure. But for some reason, my footage was lost of me getting the top coat on, because after I come up from under the UV lamp, I'm polished with the top coat. That's what seals it all. And she did do that. I just lost the footage. However, my nails came out fabulous. You guys keep watching the video so you can see the end result. Oh my goodness. Okay, my lords, I'm going to have all the information in the description box, so that if you want to order any of these colors from this collection, you can. And also, I'm going to have a 35% discount if you use the code Lola35.